morning. My name is Joe Burns. I am a teacher at Central High School with the Evergreen School District. But I would like to go back to the sister's question on the food tax. I don't believe that case was closed. The answer given by Mr. Greenfield was that we have to choose between eliminating a food tax, which would help everybody across the state immediately without having to jump through any extra hoops. Having to choose between that and vital government services, which may or may not be funded, as they pointed out. Anyways, I believe this is a false choice, and I would ask Mr. Greenfield why he insists on throwing us a false choice between helping poor people with food tax relief and helping poor people with vital government services, when there's clearly many alternate routes to get tax revenue in the state. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. You've answered your own question, because you've said that we will have to impose a different tax in order to fund existing programs. So I guess whether it be an income tax that's levied, or whether we maintain the food tax, or whether we increase other taxes, we have to pay the bills. We can't spend money we don't have. Every state across the nation has a balanced budget amendment, unlike our federal government, and we have to make the ledger balance at the end of the year. And so I don't believe it's a false premise. We have to pay our bills. There's only one way to fund programs, and that's with dollars and cents that come into our treasury. So whether we fund the government with an income tax or otherwise, and I know that some people really would like to see that. And my concern with that is that an income tax so often ends up being an additional tax. It doesn't supplant other taxes. Even if that's how it starts out, those other taxes come back and get back to a point at which they're equal to or even greater than where they were prior to an income tax. So we have to pay our bills, and I would just like to, I guess, encourage anybody who would have an alternate plan to tell us what it is that they'd like to see in terms of new revenue sources. Thank you.